Alright guys, welcome to today's awesome analysis, right? So what are we looking at for this new week? What direction are we expected to go for this new week? Both for the Euro USD, GBP USD, BTC USD and also USD card, right? So a quick one, I will just be starting with the Bitcoin market and also how the direction we anticipated for last week, right? Last week we established that Bitcoin was gonna go for a buy, right? Because fundamentally uh, we agreed that it's gonna go for a buy. So that is it for Bitcoin. So let's quickly check for Bitcoin market, the Bitcoin market, right? So for last week, the Bitcoin market was around this price. Bitcoin market was around the it closed week that what was week before last. It closed around $43,000. So last week, Bitcoin closed at $47,000. So you can now see the difference, about $4,000 difference, right? So that was what we established that Bitcoin was going to go for a buy, right? Not only that, we did analysis for the Euro USD, GBP USD, USD card, and also um, other pairs, right? So this week, what is expected from the market for this week for the BTC, Euro USD, GBP USD, and the USD card, right? Fundamentally, Bitcoin still remains a buying market. But let's check what is going to happen technically or what is expected from the market technically. Now, technically, is the market, what is happening in the market? You can see that this is our W1 time frame, and I have my reason of using the W1 time frame because we are talking about the week and it's for a long time. Now, you can see that the market has met the characteristics for a buy, right? This is our low, this is our high, this is our higher low, this is our higher highs, right? So the four characteristics have been met, right? So what is expected from the market fundamentally and technically from what you are seeing on the chart, Bitcoin market is still for a buy, right? It's still for a buy. Looking at what happened in our D1 time frame, you can see that the market is trying as much as possible to break this obvious resistance here, right? And with the way it closed above, there is possibility for you to continue the buy, right? So Bitcoin is still a buying market for this new week. It's still a buying market. All you have to do, if at all you wish to wait for to go for a buy, look for a good price to take your entry for. But for this week, it's gonna go for a buy. Bitcoin this week is gonna go for a buy. If it's making a retracement, the retracement is gonna be short, right? So for those of us using the trend line, if you're also using the trend line conservatively, let's say on your W1, you are drawing your trend line this way, right? For somebody using trend line, the market will have to come back to around 30 something thousand dollars for you to buy, but it's showing us a strong bullish momentum that it might not even get back to this our trend line. There is possibility for it to come back to our trend line, which is very okay. There is possibility, but the movement it showed us lately is trying to tell us, oh, we are headed somewhere, right? So Bitcoin market is for a buy for this week. Is for a buy for this same week. All you have to do is to trade conservatively, wait for a retracement, then you go in for a buy, right? So what is happening for the GBP USD? Remember, you must wait for retracement, wait for candlestick confirmations before entering the market. Now for the GBP USD, we established that because on our daily time frame, the market has been ranging. It has been ranging. We established that wherever the market breaks, when it comes to the direction of the market, follow the direction and the market will head to that particular place, right? So this is the GBPUSD. Last week, the market broke our support zone or our zone, right? So breaking this zone, showing there is possibility for the market to go for a sell, right? So for GBPUSD, there is possibility for a sell this week. This week there is possibility for a sell. Let's see how the W1 price close. Okay, look at it. This is the W1. So for D1 or for GBP USD, there is possibility for a sell, but the sell might not take long, right? The sell might not take long, but there is possibility for a sell for GBP USD after taking off this our zone, right? There is possibility for a sell for GBP USD this new week, right? Then for Euro USD too is a selling market. Euro USD is a selling market, right? It has fully broken our trend line. For those of them using the trend line, or those of us using the trend line, you can see that the market has broken trend line. So you can as well go to your lower time frame like the H4. Now this is the D1 time frame. You can see this is the D1 time frame. Now D1 time frame, the market has broken the trend line. So this is it. So you can as well go to your H4, draw another trend line for a sell in the market. For a sell in the market, drawing another trend line for a sell in the market. So you can as well do something like this. And as well do something like this. Take a different sell in the market, draw a trend line. Try to get a lot of touches in the market, a lot of touch in the market. So you'll find that, look at this right now. So you can see that the market right now is pushing down. So all you have to do is as a trend line trader, wait for the market to come to your trend line, something like this. Wait for the market to come to your trend line. It's gonna sell. Euro USD is a selling market. Wait for the market to come to your trend line, give you a candlestick confirmation, then you sell. But you must always wait for candlestick confirmation before shorting the market. So Euro USD is for a sell. Euro USD is for a sell for this new week, but the sell might not last longer. So that is it for Euro USD. So we quickly go to the Euro USD card. USD card. Going to the USD card. Going to the USD card. USD card. So this is the USD card. What is expected from the USD card? What are we expecting from the USD card? USD card is a buying market for this week, right? Except it's been nullified. Remember, market has broken the trend line. Even though you are using the trend line, except the market enters the trend line, this is a short inner trend line. This also, you can also have another bigger trend line here, right? You can have two. This is the inner one, this is another bigger one, right? But both of them have broken the trend line, both the inner and the bigger trend line. So USD card is for a buy for this week, right? Are you enjoying this analysis? Remember, if today is your first time joining this channel, remember to subscribe, like, and share to your friends, those of them close to you, so that they will be able to be enjoying this analysis, this daily analysis, capitalizing on it and making a lot from it too, right? So that's what we have this week for GBP USD, Euro USD, and BTC. As a way of recap, Bitcoin is going for a buy fundamentally and technically. If there's if there's anything that is gonna happen, it's just gonna make a short retracement, right? Euro USD for a short sell this week. GBP USD for a short sell this week. USD card for a buy, right? Looking at this USD card, it has broken the trend line, and looking at the way it closed on Friday last week, and see leaving a dragonfly doji. At the end of the day, waiting for a short retracement, then going for a buy in the market, right? So thank you very much for joining this wonderful meeting. Thank you very much for joining this wonderful analysis. Remember, we the question and answer sessions coming up every week, right? So go enjoy your profit, make much more profits, right? Bye now.